Struggling with the D3DX9_43.dll missing error when launching League of Legends? Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the D3DX9_43.dll missing error and other DirectX related issues in League of Legends. Let's get started without further ado. Encountering the D3DX9_43.dll missing error in League of Legends can be frustrating. Fortunately, I've got you covered with a step-by-step solution to help you get back into the game seamlessly. Solution 1. Manually install DirectX and user runtime. Open your favorite browser and follow this link. Don't worry, I'll provide it in the description below. Select your league and initiate the download. Open the downloaded file, grant permission by clicking Yes. Accept the agreement and proceed by clicking Next. Untick Install the Bing bar and click Next again. If a DirectX download is available for your Windows 11 computer, it'll be displayed here. Click Next to start the download and installation. Wait for the process to complete and hit Finish. Check if the error persists. Solution 2. Update Windows. Open Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates, allowing Windows to install any available updates automatically. After installation, restart your computer. Verify if the error is resolved. That's it, you've successfully tackled the D3DX9_43.dll missing error in League of Legends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For any lingering questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll respond promptly. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming!